How to sign up for a Watermark account. The first thing you need to do is to sign into your U-Link account. Make sure the Academics tab is highlighted on the left-hand side. Once you're within the Academics tab, you should see an Academic Support box. Within the Academic Support box, click VIA by Watermark College of Education. Once you have clicked that, you should see a sign-in page. For the first time signing in, enter your email using your C number email address. Then for password, type password with a lowercase p. Once you click the sign in button, you will be brought to a license agreement. Read through this agreement. Click that you accept the terms at the bottom of the page, or that you have read and understand, and then you will press accept. Once you have pressed accept, you will then be able to pay for your Watermark membership. Once you have paid for your membership, then you'll be able to proceed and follow the other how-to videos to make sure you can upload your artifacts for your education classes. As always, if you have any questions, please email watermark@louisiana.edu.